one box uncooked penne pasta. Those are just my frozen home-style meatballs. All right, that's my Rao's roasted garlic tomato sauce. Now I've got 3 cups of water here. I'm just pouring that all over this. Look at that, beautiful. We're gonna add in a little bit more of this pasta sauce. You don't need the whole thing, but you can add it if that's the way you like it. Now I've got some mozzarella cheese. We've got about 2 cups here, and then I'm gonna start sprinkling that in. I'm using the Tillamook farm style shreds, not to be confused with the rustic cut. Now I'm gonna add in the rest of my meatballs, and you can arrange them like nicely if you want, or you can just kind of let them willy-nilly go all over the place. It's totally up to you. Now these were defrosted. They were frozen, and then I defrosted them before placing them in here. Coming in with a little bit more Tillamook farm style shreds. I love this big cheese cut for some reason. Don't you like it, Marty?
Yeah.
I don't know, it seems like fancy. And the Tillamook is real fancy, so when the Tillamook's on sale, you gotta get it. Coming in with my Parmesan, just to make this a little bit more Italiano. And now I'm gonna put some Italian seasoning on top. Of course, you can just use parsley flakes, fresh or dried, whatever you like. And I am just gonna pop that on just like this. Alrighty, y'all, look at this beautiful pasta bake. We've got our penne in here, meatballs, red sauce, and cheese and water, so just 5 ingredients. I'm gonna cover this with some foil, and we're gonna cook it for 20 minutes at 425. Alrighty, y'all, look how amazing this looks. We had this in the oven for 20 minutes covered. That helps all the pasta absorb that water, and then 10 minutes uncovered. And look at this beautiful bronze texture on top here. What an easy, simple meal. Just 5 ingredients. We've got our pasta, our sauce, our meatballs, cheese, and water. Oh my God, y'all, this looks amazing. What an easy, simple dinner. Ooh, I love that cheese. So simple, cost effective. Make your own meatballs, you know, do it to your liking. Ooh, she is hot to go. Oh my God, perfect. Y'all, you gotta try it.